The Kure factory mainly produces shape measuring instruments such as roundness measuring machines, contour measuring machines, and surface roughness measuring machines, as well as height measuring machines. The ceramic guide used for the x-axis of the shape measuring machine is manufactured in-house. Ceramic guides are extremely resistant to wear and aging, and support the high accuracy of shape measuring machines. Grinding is performed by machine, and the finishing process is performed with high precision by manual lapping. Due to the level of skill required, it is important to share and pass on these skills regularly. After assembling the x-axis ceramic guide, we perform various inspections such as parallelism and straightness of the x-axis ceramic guide. We also perform accuracy tests on our own products. This is frame processing for a small surface roughness measuring machine. Everything from loading and unloading of materials to processing is automated, increasing efficiency and saving labor. During assembly, individuals responsible for part supply and assembly are each assigned specific roles, facilitating efficient product assembly through streamlined processes. In this way, the Kure factory combines the latest automated lines with the skills of each craftsman to pursue uncompromising product quality every day and brings about innovation at the manufacturing site. Shaping the future of manufacturing through precision measurements, we will create a factory where Mitutoyo's data utilization never stops.